Greetings. My name is Adam Zern, and I am the teacher here for Computer Science Essentials. I want to talk a little bit about the class, kind of give you an overview of Schoology, kind of our main unit there, and some other exciting things that we'll be doing this semester. In Computer Science Essentials, we're going to start with block-based coding, and we're going to be spending a majority of that time using App Inventor, and App Inventor is really cool. It allows us to kind of code here in the visual sense. So here's one of the early apps we make where they poke the screen and it makes one sound, and we shake the tablet and it plays another. So we've sort of got the designer side, as you can see here, and then the block-based side where that coding takes place. So like I said, we'll spend probably a good portion of the or all of the first marking period in there. Later, we'll transition for the second marking period. We'll transition to text-based coding, where we'll be learning Python, and we'll be using most likely Replit, easy cloud-based piece where they can code on their computers and share the programs with me that we create. So that's really cool, and they'll be learning Python here before they end. So here is our Schoology class, you can see, and so just kind of a little bit like we were doing last year that I thought worked really well under the hybrid was just sort of posting the daily agenda. So there at the top, I'll have kind of every day, just sort of where we're going, what's going to be happening, just in case they are absent, just sort of what we're doing in class, and they could probably keep up at home if need be. I know a lot of teachers do their Schoologies a little bit different. And so here on the right, where you can see upcoming assignments, you can see right now we're kind of doing one a day. That'll begin to change as the assignments get more difficult. Where instead of something every other day is being due, it's a couple days, once a week, as the programs get difficult as we move along. Right now they're pretty simple as we're demonstrating some simple ideas. Just kind of jumping ahead here to this assignment, you go in there and basically I've tried to put everything a student could possibly need just in that one place. So if you just go to where the assignment's submitted, there's videos that I made from last year that are still very beneficial, help documents, kind of the broad strokes of what I'm looking for, links to where they're going, what to submit, what to do. So kind of everything they could possibly need is right where you submit the assignment, just kind of one-stop shopping for the students. Part of computer science is just sort of learning this new language, this vocabulary. So we do a new vocabulary term or two every single day, and you can see we've kind of got a document there coming. So for example, tomorrow they're going to be learning about global and local variables, and so take a little bit of notes, and that way by the end of the semester, I can kind of speak to them in this computer science language, and they'll understand all of the things that are going on there. So, like I said, right now working in App Inventor. We started off in Blockly just to kind of simplify things, and then later we'll be using Python there, which is really need to be using that text-based language. And then towards the end, we'll be using some Vex robots, where they'll be programming some small robots to work their way through mazes and things like that. If you have any questions or comments or anything, feel free to email me. That's probably the best way to get a hold of me. Of course, you can always call the school, but I have more availability to email than phone numbers, of course, there. So I'm looking forward to our time together. It's going to be a great semester. I love this class because I get to learn some new stuff and make some really great programs. And hopefully I'll get to see you on back to school night. All right, everyone, have a great day, and I hope to see you later.